The fuck are you doing in my deep freezer?
Ma, it's hot.
Get the fuck out of my deep freezer right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Why don't you get your ass out of my deep freezer?
It's hot, Ma.
Where the fuck is my meat at?
Ma.
You took all my fucking meat out of my freezer, Malik.
It was
Put
hot.
my shit back in my freezer right now.
Yes.
Put it back. Now.
But Ma, you told me I could turn on the AC.
I don't give a fuck. I mean, get in my deep freezer, Malik.
But Ma.